Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Verizon Fios My Verizon account. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with your Verizon Fios My Verizon account, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in verizon.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. A drop-down menu will appear. Select the register option from that menu. You will be directed to a new registration page. Here, you will need to enter your Verizon mobile number or your account number. After entering your number, click on the Continue button. Next, you will be prompted to provide additional information. This may include your name, address, and email address. Make sure all information is accurate and matches your account details. Once you've filled in the required fields, click on the Continue button again. You will be asked to create a password for your account. Choose a strong password that is both secure and memorable. Re-enter the password for confirmation before proceeding. After setting your password, you will be presented with terms and conditions. Read through them carefully and check the box to agree. Then, click on the Continue button to move forward. You may need to verify your identity through a verification code. If prompted, check your email or SMS for the code and enter it in the designated field. Click on Verify once you have entered the code. After successful verification, your account will be created. You will now have access to your My Verizon account. Feel free to log in anytime to manage your Fios services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.